Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Network and Internet settings so you can reach the adapter details quickly. Click the network icon on the taskbar, choose Network and Internet, then go to Status. From Status, open Network and Sharing Center. This is where Windows lists active connections and adapters. Once done, click the active Wi-Fi connection name to open its properties dialog so you can access wireless security details and the next actionable control. You now access wireless properties to reveal the stored key because Windows hides it by default. In the connection dialog, click Wireless Properties, switch to the Security tab, and you'll see the Network Security Key field. Make sure you have administrator rights because you may need to confirm a UAC prompt. Once you check Show Characters, Windows displays the password. Note it exactly as shown, since capitalization and symbols matter for connecting other devices. You finish by using PowerShell if the GUI fails or if you need another saved network's password. Run netwlan show profiles to list SSIDs, then netwlan show profile name equals your SSID key equals clear to reveal the key under key content. If the command fails, make sure you run PowerShell as administrator and that the profile exists. If you still can't see a key, reconnect to the Wi-Fi or reset the router credentials and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.